So hello everyone, today I'm going to show my fourth project on generative AI. So this is basically a ChaiDocs Web Query Assistant. So I made an extension especially for the ChaiDocs according to my project, which according to the document, like the document has many things. So according to that, you can ask any question related to that. So the documents I will show it here. So you can see a bottom right side icon. So there you can see, and at the top also. So this is the basically the ChaiDocs. So it has some guidance for HTML, Git, C++, Java, and so on. So based on it, what I did is I have bootstrapped these pages, and then I have created an extension, AI extension, so which helps you to address. You can ask any problem related to that, and here you can get the section under which section and under what subsection your query is, and how can you resolve that. The AI will also give you the solutions for it. So let's take another question. So uh, how to create an Express app. So you can see it is under DevOps and deploy node API. So let's ask. It is processing. Yeah, there you can see. So it will be running in this way. So it will be showing us according to the docs only, it's showing the step-by-step things and also the section and subsection accordingly, and also giving us the link also, so we can directly jump on to the page. Okay, now let's ask another question. So how to use Jinja templates in Django. Okay, so let's see how does it do. So you can see here how does it answer it. Sorry, this is the first question. So it also keeps a history of your questions, but uh, if you click here and there, then it might disappear. So I will suggest you to use the uh, bottom icon itself. So yeah, here you can see the things are displayed, and the link has been directed us to the gym database. So the model is also giving us the relevant document link also. So this is my project, and I would like to improve it. So the tech stack I use is basically it's an extension. Uh, I used manifest.json, HTML, basic HTML, CSS, poster, and JavaScript as a frontend, and for the backend I used a FastAPI, beautiful store, important API for vector embeddings, other embedding stuff like Google AI embeddings and use it for the embedding part. And that's all. So I want to extend this project for different types of documents also. Okay, like for the React docs. So I have seen that many developers face a problem like reading the documentation. So what I have want, what I have in mind is go to the docs and AI assistant will be there when you install the extension. Although I haven't deployed this one. So you can click on the bot and you can ask any question like what to do like this one. It will show you the section, subsection, and give you the relative link. You can directly jump out click the dots. So you can use that AI also. So this is what I have meant. Thank you.